Hi, this is Anushree here, and today I am going to be making a code.org Flappy project. If you guys have heard of Flappy, that's great news, because today we're going to be making a project. And Flappy Bird is also famous for its games, and you could also check our other code.org projects down in the description below, and make sure you like and subscribe. So let's get on with the video. Hi guys, so all of you guys know we're doing code.org. You could also find the site of code.org, this homepage, in the description below. So you could go down and click on the site so you can go to this studio.code.org /home. So I already logged into my account, which is Anushree. Then you need to go to my dashboard. I'm already on my dashboard. Load. And then you need to go all the way down until view full list, start a new project. So we need to view the full list. Then we need to do games with events. Last time we did the bounce project. This time we're going to be doing the Flappy project. So click on that, and this basically just opens a new Flappy project. So we have these blocks here. We have the game site. And we have the workspace. So the buttons we have are one hit the ground, one click, one hit an obstacle, one pass the obstacle, and one run. And we can't delete these. See that? We can't delete them. So we have to keep them on, and we have to code with these blocks. We can put them on. So first I'm going to be coding the when run block. So first I'm going to be making a Santa themed game. So I'm going to be playing the jingle sound. Play the jingle. You can hear that it says the jingle sound. Next, we're going to be setting the speed, which is going to be normal, so you can just click that and you're done with that block. Next, you're going to set the scene. Since we're doing Santa themed or Christmas themed, we're going to be setting the scene through Santa. So you can see it's Santa themed, and we're going to be coding the Flappy Bird. So you can see that we changed the background. Next, we're going to be setting the player to Santa, because we need Santa as our Santa project. Next, we will need to set an obstacle. There's a chimney obstacle, and I think that's the best related to Christmas. Next, we need to set the ground, which will be ground. Yeah, or we could just put Santa. We could put Santa if we want. Next, we will set a gap. I'm going to be setting a large gap, so it'll be a little bit easier, but if you've done this before and you have a little bit of experience of playing these type of games, then you could put small to be a little bit challenging. Next, you have to set the gravity to normal, so you can just click that on, and you have to set the score to 0 when we run the block. So here, you can see that the sleigh has turned. It's Christmas theme at the bottom. It's nighttime and the sleigh is moving. So, and you can also, you saw the chimney, right? See that chimney? That's the chimney. And so now we're going to be coding the when hit the ground block. So when the Flappy Bird hits the ground, what will it do? It will obviously end the game. It'll play the crash sound it could make it more realistic. So we'll play the crash. So we'll make it like you lose. So next we're going to be coding the when pass obstacle block. It will have to score a point because you pass the obstacle, just 1 point though. And then you need to play a jingle sound so it'll be more fun. So then jingle sound. Then when hit an obstacle. So this one was when hit the ground. But when hit the obstacle, when the sprite is gonna hit the obstacle, what will it do? It will probably end the game, because when we hit the ground, it'll end the game, obviously. But if we're not good at that in this game, then you should probably not put end game, because then it's gonna get a little bit more challenging. But I'm putting end game in mind. So when we click the screen, it will have to flap a amount, right? So what amount will we put? I will put very small because it'll take like it's better. I mean, like, kind of easier to play the game by that. But you could put random, which will make it a little bit more challenging, or normal. Normal is also good, but I will put very small. And that's your game. You can see here that I can play the game, and whenever I pass through an obstacle, I get a point. And it makes that lose sound. You can also go to share. You can copy this, go to a new tab. You can paste it, and you can see it in a bigger screen. It's loading right now. You can see, you can play it still. And if you're on a phone, it's easier because you just have to tap the screen. But if you're on a computer, it's kind of harder. But I touched the obstacle, so I lost. And so you could also rename your project here. You could rename it to blah 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 blah. And then it saves to the project, which you can obviously do it. And here, I'll play it again for you guys. Yes, I'm winning. My high score is 4. No, I lost. And also, if you go to the share, you copy paste the link, then you can go to how it works, and you can actually see the code. But I'm the editor, so if I share it to someone, they can't edit it. But right now, I'm the editor, and I'm logged into my account, so I made it, so I can edit it, but no one else can. So that's the project. So we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye, and like and subscribe. Thank you.